Hey y'all, first thing we're going to do is take your favorite primer and spray it all over your face. Next, you're going to take your foundation and put it on your brush or beauty blender. Now you're going to put spots on your face. I don't know why I said it like that. And then blend it out using circular motions. My hair is in my way. I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. Now we're going to take some setting powder. I don't use white setting powder anymore because it gives me flashback. You're going to take a fluffy brush and put it under your eye and under your chin. I normally let this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just brush it off. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just go over the spots I put the setting powder. Now I'm going to take some concealer and a flat brush, a small flat brush, and carve out my crease. Now I'm going to blend it in with my finger. Now I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and pack on the orange color that I used for my Morphe palette. Now time for mascara. I was a little indecisive on which one I was going to use, but I ended up using my Maybelline mascara. Now I'm going to take my Rosewater and set my face. I didn't spray it right then because I just had put on mascara and I didn't want it to transfer on my face. And
hey y'all, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still trying to figure little things out. If the video looked a little weird, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I will be posting a video. But I will be posting a video tomorrow. Well, a video might be uploaded the next day because I gotta edit and all that stuff. But thank you guys.